Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 ways you can get rich quickly and easily. Let's get started. Now, I know what you're thinking. Getting rich quick sounds too good to be true. But the truth is, with the right strategies and a bit of dedication, you can significantly increase your wealth in a short amount of time. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your existing income, these tips can help you achieve your financial goals faster than you ever imagined. First, we'll explore the world of investing in stocks, a tried-and-true method for building wealth. Then we'll dive into real estate investments, a lucrative field with immense potential. After that, we'll discuss the advantages of starting an online business, a modern-day gold mine. Next, we'll touch on the rapidly growing world of cryptocurrency investments. And finally, we'll highlight the importance of passive income streams, which can provide financial stability and freedom. So, grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started on your journey to financial success. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to follow and actionable steps you can take to start building your wealth today. Ready? Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with investing in stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and when you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your shares increases, and so does your wealth. One of the key advantages of investing in stocks is the potential for high returns. Historically, the stock market has provided an average annual return of around 7 to 10%. While this might not sound like a lot, thanks to the magic of compound interest, your investments can grow exponentially over time. For example, if you invest $10,000 and earn an average annual return of 8%, your investment will grow to over $21,000 in just 10 years. Another great thing about stocks is the variety of options available. You can invest in individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, or mutual funds. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in a mix of different stocks and funds can also help mitigate risk and increase your chances of success. The good news is, it's easier than ever before to get started with numerous online brokerage platforms. Many of these platforms also offer educational resources and tools to help you make informed investment decisions. It's also important to stay informed about the companies you're investing in and the overall market trends. Remember, investing in stocks is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience and discipline. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s. In summary, investing in stocks is a proven way to build wealth quickly. So if you haven't already, consider adding stocks to your investment portfolio and start reaping the benefits today. Next up, let's talk about real estate investments. Real estate has long been considered one of the most reliable and lucrative ways to build wealth. Whether you're buying rental properties, flipping houses, or investing in commercial real estate, there are numerous opportunities to make money in this field. The key is to understand the market and make smart investment decisions. One of the main advantages of real estate investing is the potential for passive income. When you own rental properties, you can earn a steady stream of income from tenants. This can provide financial stability and help you build wealth over time. Additionally, rental income is often more stable and predictable than other sources of income, making it an attractive option for investors. Another benefit of real estate investing is the potential for property appreciation. Over time, the value of real estate tends to increase, allowing you to sell your properties for a profit. Flipping properties is another popular real estate investment strategy. This involves buying properties at a low price, making improvements or renovations, and then selling them for a higher price. To get started with real estate investing, you'll need to do your research and understand the local market. Look for properties that are undervalued or have the potential for appreciation. Financing is another crucial aspect of real estate investing. Most investors use a combination of their own money and borrowed funds to purchase properties. Additionally, don't forget about the tax benefits of real estate investing. There are numerous tax deductions and credits available to real estate investors. In conclusion, real estate investing offers numerous opportunities to build wealth quickly. By doing your research, making smart investment decisions, and taking advantage of tax benefits, you can maximize your returns and build a strong real estate portfolio. Chapter 3. Starting an online business. In today's digital age, the internet has opened up countless opportunities for entrepreneurs to create successful businesses with minimal upfront costs. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or creating digital content, an online business can generate significant income. One of the main advantages is the low barrier to entry. Unlike traditional businesses, you don't need a physical location or large capital. With just a computer and internet, you can launch from home. Another benefit is reaching a global audience. The internet connects you with customers worldwide, expanding your market. Identify a profitable niche or market. Research potential customers and find a unique selling proposition. Marketing is crucial for success. Have a strong strategy to attract and retain customers. Customer service is key to building loyalty. Excellent service generates positive reviews and referrals. Scaling your business is important. Streamline operations to manage increased demand. Online businesses can provide passive income. Digital products like ebooks or courses can earn money long after creation. In summary, starting an online business is a powerful way to build wealth. Identify a niche, develop a marketing strategy, and scale effectively to achieve your financial goals. Chapter 4: Cryptocurrency Investments. Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm, offering massive returns. While volatile, those who understand the risks can capitalize on this growing asset class. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others have seen astronomical price increases. Cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks using blockchain technology. To start, choose a reputable exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Diversify your portfolio and stay informed about market developments. Understand the risks, as the market can be highly volatile. In conclusion, cryptocurrency investments offer high returns and a unique opportunity. By choosing a reputable exchange, diversifying, and staying informed, you can navigate the crypto market successfully. Chapter 5: Passive Income Streams. Finally, let's talk about the importance of passive income streams. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort or active involvement, allowing you to generate income even while you sleep. Building multiple passive income streams can provide financial stability and freedom, helping you achieve your wealth-building goals more quickly. One of the most common forms of passive income is dividends from stock investments. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you receive regular payments from the company's profits. Another popular passive income stream is rental income from real estate properties. As we discussed earlier, owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of income from tenants. Royalties from intellectual property such as books, music, or patents are another form of passive income. If you create a piece of intellectual property, you can earn royalties each time it's sold or used. Affiliate marketing is another way to generate passive income online. By promoting products or services through affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. Investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms is another option for generating passive income. These platforms connect borrowers with individual lenders, allowing you to earn interest on your loans. Creating and selling digital products such as online courses, ebooks, or software can also provide passive income. Once you've created the product, you can continue to earn money from sales without any additional effort. In summary, building multiple passive income streams is a powerful strategy for achieving financial stability and freedom. By diversifying your income sources and focusing on long-term investments, you can create a strong financial foundation and achieve your wealth-building goals. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on how to achieve financial success. See you in the next video. Remember, building wealth quickly is possible with the right strategies and a bit of dedication. By investing in stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrencies, starting an online business, and creating passive income streams, you can achieve your financial goals faster than you ever imagined. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, who might also benefit from these wealth-building tips. The more people who know about these strategies, the better we can all work towards financial freedom together. And as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you and are here to help you on your financial journey. So until next time, keep hustling, stay focused, and remember that financial success is within your reach. With the right mindset and a commitment to taking action, you can turn your dreams of wealth into reality. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.